Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
So this is a quick video to show you live proof that this Prcash Loophole system is actually very effective when it comes to affiliate marketing in 2022. With Prcash Loophole system, I was able to rank my content instantly on Google and generated tons of traffic to my affiliate website, and in turn made commissions with ClickBank marketing. So as you can see, these are my results from a single press release that I published in 2021, July 7th. And since then, my content has been ranking on Google page 1, just with a single press release that I sent out. And as soon as I sent out that press release, my content was picked up and indexed by Google, and also over 200 premium websites picked up my content. So if you're looking to make commissions with affiliate marketing in 2022, you need to find a way to get your content seen by millions of people, because 98% of buyers online read product reviews on Google before making a purchase. And this is where you come in. So once you publish your content, it will get indexed by Google, and also over 200 premium sites will pick your content, thereby giving you a boost in search engine optimization, and also increase backlinks and credibility online, and also increase traffic to your website. So here, if we click on the first page here where it says Google index pages. So as you can see here, this is my content with the title Mr. Wang's Soulmate Drawings, and it has been ranking on Google. There are about 367 searches for this term, and I am ranking number 1 on Google for this search term. And as you can see, the first website that is ranking with my content is called AB Newswire. Now, AB Newswire is a news website, okay, that publishes news content. So if we open this in a new tab, okay, as you can see, this is my content on AB Newswire website, okay. It has been ranking there since July 7th, 2021. And I've generated huge traffic from this single post, all right? So if you go back to my result again, we have other sites like MarketWatch, Benzinga, Fox 40, Fox 34, Fox 28, and so much more. If you scroll down, you would see so many other sites like Digital Journal, Azentral, Daily Herald, Morning News, Daily Presscom, and so much more, all right? These are just a few of the sites that have picked up my content, and I've able to rank on Google with this method, okay? So this is the best method that you can use to generate passive income online with affiliate marketing in 2021. You do not need to run any Google paid ads. You do not need to run any Facebook ads. You don't even need to buy solo ads. Once you set up your system and then you publish your content, immediately it will get picked up and it will rank on Google. All right. So the product I was promoting on ClickBank is called Master Wang's Soulmate Drawings. And if we look at the Google keyword search for this, and as you can see here, Master Wang's drawing has 10,000 to 100,000 monthly searches with low competition. Okay, and Master Wang's Drawings review has 1,000 to 10,000 searches on Google with low competition. Now imagine 100,000 people viewing your content every day on Google. All right, can you imagine how much traffic and revenue you're going to make from affiliate marketing? This is the best solution for you if you want to make money with affiliate marketing. All right, and this is what I am going to teach you inside the members area of the Prcash system loophole. If you are ready to generate passive income and live the life that you've always wanted, then this is the best solution for you. This is no BS, and instantly you're going to see results within a few hours of publishing your content. So you may ask, how do I get my content featured on these top premium websites so that I can generate tons of traffic to my website? Well, the process is very simple. First of all, you need to pick the right products on ClickBank or any affiliate network that you're promoting. And in the Prcash Loopholes training, I will show you how to do that. Secondly, you need to choose keywords that have low competition, and they must be keywords that are solving people's problems, keywords that people are actually searching for on Google. And in the Prcash Loophole system, I am going to walk you through step by step on how to do that. And thirdly, you need the right channel for content distribution. And inside this course, I'm going to show you the exact strategy, the exact channel that I use to have my content rank on page 1 of Google instantly. All right. So I just want to make this quick video to show you that I have been using the Prcash Loophole system and it has worked for me. So if you're serious about making money online 2022 with affiliate marketing, what are you waiting for? Hit the buy button below and I'll see you on the inside.